नमस्ते। रेस्पिरेटरी डिसीज डेवलप होने की समस्या बढ़ गई है, जिसका रीजन पोल्यूटेड एयर और इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस है, जिसका इम्पैक्ट रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट पर पड़ के लंग्स कमजोर हो रहे हैं। लंग्स के हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए योगासन बताए गए हैं, जो लंग्स के साथ साथ पूरे रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट को हेल्दी बनाते हैं। आज के इस वीडियो में रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के लिए कौन से योगासन करने चाहिए और वो कैसे एक्ट करते हैं, इसके बारे में जानेंगे। सुखासन, easy yoga pose. Function: improves blood circulation in lungs, cleans toxin from lung muscles, strengthens lung muscles, improve concentration, reduce stress and anxiety. Bhujangasan, cobra pose. Function: calms the brain, strengthens lungs, expands the chest, improves blood circulation, gives a lot of relief to the asthmatic patient. Padmasarvangasana, lotus shoulder stand pose. Function: helps in proper expansion of chest and allows easier passage of the air to the lungs, helps in expulsion of toxin from the lungs. Matsyasana, fish pose. Function: helps to open up chest, boost oxygen intake and improve circulation, making body active and refreshed throughout the day. Hasta Uttanasana, rest arm pose. Function: open the chest and rib cage, allow deep and full breaths, resulting in full intake of oxygen, helps in contracting and expanding muscles which increase blood flow, may help to improve respiratory volume and pulmonary functions. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Function: it helps to open up neck, shoulders and chest, helps to remove toxins from lungs and clean the lungs, makes the chest muscles strong and healthy. Chakrasana, wheel pose. Function: it offers a deep stretch for the chest, improves intake of oxygen, improves lung capacity and respiratory health. It is one of the effective asana for the respiratory system. Ushtrasana, camel pose. Function: stretches the chest and throat, help to regulate breathing pattern, help increase the elasticity of the lung which enhances lung capacity. Ardha Matsyendrasana, half loud fishes pose. Function: open up the chest, improve supply of oxygen to the lungs, solve breathing problems, stress, anxiety. Chakravakasana, cat-cow pose. Function: it expands diaphragm which leads to expansion of the chest cavity, helps for proper function of heart and lungs, improve lung capacity. It allows for easier breathing. In this pose, chest, lungs, heart are active, thereby feeling energetic. Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. Function: it involves breathing in a specific pattern during each movement and help lungs to work better, strengthens respiratory muscle, allows lungs to inflate and deflate to fullest possible range. Trikonasana, triangle pose. Function: open up the chest and lungs, help to expel out toxin from the body. Pranayam. Function: improves respiratory breathing capacity by increasing chest wall expansion and forced expiratory lung volumes, improve respiratory rate, vital capacity, breath holding time, and inspiratory and expiratory pressure. Bhastrika Pranayam. Function: recreate normally unventilated lung spaces, strengthen the respiratory muscles, increase elastic properties of lungs and chest, and improve its ventilatory functions. It provides energy, cleanse, and rejuvenate the lungs. Kapalbharti function: increase lung strength and function, boosts supply of oxygen to the lungs, helps to detoxify lungs and respiratory tracts, helps to clear nasal passage of any congestion. आज के इस वीडियो में लंग्स और रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को हेल्दी बनाने के लिए कौन से योगासन करने चाहिए इसके बारे में जाना। अगर वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।